Abul Hassan Ali ibn al-Hussein al-Masudi, 871 AD to 957 AD, a noted historian, geographer, and intellectual, records in his book, The Fields of Gold and the Mines of Treasure, that Kashkash ibn Sa'id al-Aswad, a Muslim navigator from Córdoba, Andalusia, sailed from the Spanish port, d'Elba, Palos in 889 AD, during the reign of the Caliph of Spain, Abdullah ibn Muhammad, 888 AD to 912 AD, in search of the other side of the forbidding waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Al-Masudi records that Ibn al-Aswad crossed the Atlantic and reached an unknown territory, that al-Masudi coined unknown territory, and returned with stunning treasures. Al-Masudi's world map contains a large area in the ocean of darkness and fog. We now know this unknown land to be the Americas. Al-Aswad arrived in America in the year of 889 AD. While this is a heavily debated occurrence, Al-Masudi's book has survived for 1,100 years. The first extant version is an earlier draft from 947 AD, but the later revised edition in 956 has survived. His revised book has been published by publishers in Lebanon and Egypt for hundreds of years. Roughly 889 pages furnished with details concerning Islamic history and relevant persons is, in its own right, a veritable gem. Al-Masudi writes in his book, The Fields of Gold and the Mines of Treasure, in the ocean of fogs, the Atlantic, there are many curiosities, which we have mentioned in detail in our Akbar Az-Zaman, based on what we saw there, adventurers who penetrated it on the risk of their life, some returning safely, others perishing in the attempt. Thus a certain inhabitant of Córdoba, Kashkash by name, assembled a group of young men, his co-citizens, and went on a voyage on this ocean. After a long time, he returned with booty. Every Spaniard knows this story.